Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 CFMoto 300 SS. This lightweight sport bike just arrived with only 5,900 miles. Beautiful condition, fuel injected, liquid cooled engine, ABS brakes. Come on by and make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true with this awesome black and gray 300 SS. Really low price, only $31.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given day we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.